Hello, welcome to the video about new features added to Service Request Management in the BMC Remedyforce Spring 15 release. The wizard to add service request definitions has been improved. The Options tab is now called Display Options. On the Input tab, you can add input fields to get information required to fulfill a service request. On the Fulfillment tab, select the templates that are required to fulfill the service request and to map the input fields to the fulfillment templates. If you have not already created the service offering, category, incident template or service request template, you can click these icons to add them and populate them for the service request definition. You can configure visibility of a service request definition in self-service based on the users of the selected permission sets. You can require clients to upload an attachment with the service request by selecting the Make Attachment Required in Self-Service checkbox. If you select the Apply Quantity and Price field settings for staff members checkbox, your configuration to show or hide the quantity and price fields is also applied to staff members. For example, if you did not select the quantity checkbox for clients and you select this checkbox, the quantity field is also not shown to staff members. You can now add one input field of type text area rich for a service request definition. When you add options for fields of Picklist or Radio button type, use the format displayed value in double quotes, comma, stored value in double quotes. Be sure to separate the two values by pressing enter. To clone an input field, either click the icon or click Clone. Service Request Configuration Enhancements. System administrators can enable staff members and clients to edit submitted service requests. Editing will be possible only if no approval is required or if all approvals are rejected and the fulfillment process has not started. For staff members, select the Enable Editing of Submitted Service Requests checkbox on the console page that you access from the Application Settings tile. If you are upgrading to BMC Remedyforce 2015-02, and you have not segregated the incidents and service requests modules to enable editing of submitted service requests from the Remedyforce console, set the value of the Enable Edit SR custom setting to True. This custom setting is available under the Remedyforce settings. After you set the value of the custom setting to True, users of all profiles who have access to the Remedyforce console tab will be able to edit a submitted service request if no approval is required or if all approvals are rejected and the fulfillment process has not started. If you choose to segregate the incidents and service requests modules, you can enable editing of submitted service requests for users of selected profiles. For clients, select the Enable Editing of Submitted Service Requests checkbox on the Service Requests page that you access from the Configure Self-Service tile. When a parent category is selected in self-service, system administrators can configure to also show service requests for child categories. For example, on this screen, service request definitions of both the human resources and general information categories are shown when you click the human resources category. To show linked tasks in self-service, enable this checkbox. Add the Display in Self-Service checkbox type field to a field set of the task object and select the checkbox for the tasks that you want to show in self-service. Linked tasks are shown on the Tickets and Requests tab when you select a record, and on the Tasks tab on the Ticket or Service Request Details page. Self-service enhancements. Button labels on the Service Request and Ticket pages have been updated. For example, the Close button has been updated to Close Service Request or Close Ticket. On the Service Requests tab, the only categories shown are those for which a service request definition exists. In the list view of the Tickets and Requests tab, a new type column shows service request for a request and incident for a ticket. A similar column has also been added to the list view of the Approvals tab. We hope this video has helped you familiarize with the new and enhanced service request management features added to the BMC Remedyforce Spring 15 release. Thank you for watching.